controller drift can significantly affect your gameplay in Rocket League. This guide will help you optimize your controller settings to minimize drift and improve your performance. Step 1. Check controller calibration. Ensure your controller is properly calibrated. Go to your console or PC settings and find the calibration option. Follow the instructions to reset and calibrate your controller, which can help eliminate any drift issues. Step 2. Adjust dead zone settings. In Rocket League, navigate to the settings menu and find the controller settings. Adjust the dead zone settings for both the left and right sticks. A lower dead zone can help improve responsiveness, but if you experience drift, slightly increasing the dead zone may help stabilize your controls. Step 3. Update controller firmware. Make sure your controller S firmware is up to date. Check the manufacturer's website or your console settings for any available updates. Keeping your controller updated can fix bugs and improve performance. Step 4. Clean your controller. Physical dirt and debris can cause issues with controller performance. Carefully clean your controller, especially around the analog sticks. Use compressed air to blow out any dust and a microfiber cloth to wipe down the surfaces. Step 5. Test and fine-tune settings. After making adjustments, play a few matches to test your new settings. Pay attention to how your controller feels and make further adjustments to the dead zone or sensitivity settings as needed to find what works best for you. By following these steps, you can effectively reduce controller drift and enhance your gameplay experience in Rocket League. Happy gaming!